Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the daily close for Bitcoin. Let's see what do we have on the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart. Basically, we're still looking, from the daily opening today, we were over here. And we're closing today at the same place. What does this mean? It means nothing, guys. We still, of course, ranging. We were just wasting time here. I don't know why, but still, of course, on the 15-minute chart can be a possibility of a 1-2 here. Wave 1, A, B, and a C expanding flat wave 2, and then another 1-2, and another 1-2. But yeah, very, very low probability, guys. It becomes somehow a lot of overlapping here, and it becomes very, very corrective for me. So we gotta be careful from a finished here ABC. Yeah, so this is also a very likely probability as an A, B, and a C, or even if the A it is there, can be also wave B as an expanding flat, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or even I'm starting to thinking here because of the overlaps, I'm starting to thinking about something as diagonal, but I don't see it here because this is invalidated as a wave 4, is longer than wave 2, you cannot consider it. The only way to finish up here is a potential diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here, just like that. And finish wave C, and we start to push downward. But the problem again, in this area, we have 3 waves here. And that suggests still a potential corrective wave here as an ABC in a potential wave 4, that it might still be unfolding here in case we are in a diagonal, meaning like kind of like a wave 1, 2, and then wave 3, wave 4, and a wave 5. So what I'm going to do is to add this probability over there, because I'm still seeing here a signal of strength a little bit, like 3 ways down, 3 ways up, and so on. Yeah, so unless we directly break down, we directly break down after an A, B, and a C. So to recap this area, this micro level there, what we might get as next probability here. So we have the diagonal probability. We have a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In this case, it still can be corrective. Don't forget an A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending diagonal as well. So that means you can be here in one more wave 5, and we drop down. Okay, we still dropping down because, of course, we still very likely in a 1, A, B, C, wave 2, and then pushing down, expanding flat, and then downward. Especially that this, if we take the wave 2, let's say it is there, yeah, we will see that we just hit exactly the 0.618, which is the perfect fib level for wave 2 here. So this area is still a testing area here. This is my probability for a wave C, potentially here finishing, but wave C for this A, B, and a C. I don't want to put all the labels because it gets so much chaotic. So we're going to keep it just like that. Basically, also, you might have here, if a finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there, and you have an ABC, well, I doubt it a little bit, guys. This ABC, I doubt it somehow, unless, something much more higher, which give, of course, higher probability for all of it to be an ending diagonal as an ABC. This is my highest probability right now for Bitcoin, unless it's a W, X, and a Y. The Y is finished over there. We push directly toward the downside. So how much are the probabilities for double 1, 2? So how much they are, if we are talking here about a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished over there, and we're talking about 1, 2, 1, 2 here, what you would like to see is a broken 1-to-1 fib level for this wave 3, in case this is a diagonal here, because this might be also our wave 5 in diagonal. Yeah, so this, I'm gonna keep only the 1-to-1. Also remove the 886. This is our confirmation here for something bullish, confirmation for higher prices, because once you take the high, by all means, the probability for wave 5 here, if wave 5 becomes longer than wave 3, this is not a diagonal anymore. This is a double 1, 2, and a wave 3 from there, from that point here, is unfolding toward the upside. Especially if we break the high. Anyway, it's very close to the high. And this is our main confirmation, that we are bullish. So, can be a pre-confirmation, I would say here. Yes, it can be let's put it pre-confirmation for higher, okay? And your confirmation is exactly above it, this one, at 71K909. Yep, so this is my my view here, my perspective for Bitcoin. In case we are bullish, if we are bullish, we want to go straight ahead, guys. Straight ahead toward the upside, of course, meaning bullish. Otherwise, we are into probability for bearish. So probability of bearish is stronger, I would say, in double 1, 2, large 1, 2, and then pushing down. Yep, so we'll watch and see. Those are the key levels to be watched, guys. I still think that one more high anyway. This is my highest probability in the middle here. One more high and then pushing down is my highest probability, but we'll see, guys. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.